Hello, everybody. We are going to go over how to book rooms using Google Calendar. So today I will use Sam's student here, and we will go ahead and try to book a 9 o'clock in the morning appointment. So the first thing we're going to do is label this. So I will label it test. And then you're going to want to pick a location. So you want to go to this area here where it says rooms, and you can see that you can select rooms by building, or you can type in the search bar. So I will put in Necton, and you will see my office will pop up. If you were to type in gym, you will see that you have the gym lobby, gymnasium for the high school, Mr. DeRozier's office, and so forth. And there's the middle school gym. So it's just about finding a space. If I put in AP, you can see I have the AP office. Um, Perhaps I want to put in conference, and I can look at all the different conference rooms, and I can book things that way. Same with typing in media center, and I can go ahead and I can book the media center workspace. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. If it doesn't show up, right, because right here we have available rooms only. If the media center is booked, you're not going to see that come up at all. If you click down here, include unavailable rooms, you can see that the media center presentation space has already been booked by somebody. So you cannot book that. So if you are confused by, why can't I see that particular space? That's probably because it has already been booked. So once you select your area, you go back and pick your time. You can go ahead and click more options. You can set notifications and that sort of thing. You can add notes. You can add links or different things from Drive. And then it's as simple as just clicking save. And now I have booked the media center from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Simple as that. Good luck.